Now that we've seen how to tighten the seals on the front of the cabinet, let's take a look at the seals on the inside of the cabinet. I have opened the cabinet door. There is no reason to power down for this part of the maintenance. However, there's very important seals inside the cabinet that need to be addressed. These seals are addressed using your tool that we used on the front. This is the SVL22 tool. You simply put it on these black fittings on the top of the aspiration vessel and on the bottom of the aspiration vessel and at the very top on the aspiration valve. The other seal that's very important is located at the back of the splash guard connected to this T. It's not easy to see that on this video, but it's very apparent when you open it up. There's a seal back here at the back of the splash guard connected to this T. All of those need to be nice and tight.